Hi, welcome to another SaaS agent building app, and this time it is very interesting and very easy to implement, where our agent can take audio input and give out audio output as well. So audio in, audio out agent, that is what we're building now. So this is how it's going to look. We have the audio input given to our agent, and it'll transcribe and understand the content and give out the result as an audio, which will save it as a file. We will use OpenAI. In this case, tools can be used, but we are not using any tools in this demo. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. This can be easily implemented without Agno, but we are using Agno to make it easier, even easier. What we will do first is we will see the OpenAI's documentation on how to build audio in, audio out. So this is the URL, platform.openai.com, docs, guides, audio. Okay, so if you scroll down, so here, this is audio output from model, and here is audio input from model. So first let's look at the audio input code. So here we have the audio input URL. We fetch the URL using requests.get Python library, and then we get the raw WAV data, and then we are doing base64 encoding. That is it. So then our input file is ready. And then we have chat completions.create, and here we have the parameter modalities. We need to put text and audio. That is one thing. When we want to handle audio, we need to put audio here. Okay, then here we can choose the voice and the output format. Here we have a prompt. What is in this recording? So this audio that we are specifying here will be analyzed because this encoded string is being passed here. That is it. That is all. In this case, the result is in text. If you want the result also as audio, in completions choices 0 message audio.data, we need to base64 decode and save it. So that is it. Now Agno has made this even more simpler. So let's look at the Agno code. This code is there in the Agno cookbooks. I'll provide the link in the description. Here is the code. This takes this audio URL, and here we create the agent, and we are using the model GPT-4o audio preview. When we run the agent, we specify the WAV data. Okay, the output comes here. Here, if the response audio is not none, we write audio to file. Response audio content gets written to this file name. Okay, so that is it. So let's see how it works. I have a bash script created, run.sh, which launches a Python environment, installs the dependencies, and executes this simple environment script, just 2 lines. So this is reading the input audio, analyzing it, and writing the output as result.wav. Okay, so if you look at the TMP folder, you will notice that the file is there, and if we play this file,
the recording explains the well-known phenomenon that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west, a fact that has been observed by humans for thousands of years.
Okay, so that is the output of this agent. Let's see the input that we have specified.
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This simple fact has been observed by humans for thousands of years.
Okay, so that is what it has transcribed and understood, and then summarized and gave it back to us. As a SaaS application builder, you are free to adapt the agent with more customized prompt that you need to convert this input audio into an output audio. And you can also add additional tools like web search and things like that, which we have covered in our previous videos. So this is a very powerful application to be considered as a SaaS solution, agentic SaaS solution. So that is it. Give your valuable comments. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.